So let's see. Yeah. So the next thing we are looking at now, we have done some basic setup, tags, branches. Yeah. Okay. So let's look at chart of account. As we all know, there's no account without chart. There's no account without chart. Chart of account is the backbone of accounting, right? Everything you do has to be linked to something else, either assets or liability or expense, income or whatsoever. So those are things that we will need to create for our client. And each account has to be linked to a specific account. So now let's see how far we can go with that. So I'm going to click on this. So let's look at what we have here. So we have some asset account, we have liability account, we have expense account. So you can see what we have: cost of goods sold and the rest. So let's create chart of account in Zoho Books. So let's go back to our books. Remember this B. Click on this B. It takes you back to the home. And on the left side here, you see what is called accountant. With accountant, you can see chart of account. So let's click on this chart of account, and we have all these charts here. These are the charts that come by default, except the banks that we created. Remember, we created these banks. So this one that come by default, they are of two types. Some of them are system account, which means by system account, it means you cannot do anything to them. You can only leave them or just edit the name only. You can't remove them. Remember, we said we have selected that our tax payable should be tracked from different accounts. So we can see we have TDS payable, sorry, tax payable here, and we have TDS payable. We should have TDS payable too. TDS payable. Let's search for this. So you can see we have payable and receivable. So we can rename this if you like. You can rename this as what? As withholding tax payable and receivable. Withholding tax. Then you save this. The other one again. What do? We edit this. We select this also, withholding taxes, and we save. So those ones, there are some like that you cannot do anything other than just to edit the name. You can't change their type because they are system account. There are some that you can delete. There are some that you cannot delete also. If you look at this, some has lock. This one with lock, you can only edit the name. You can see there's no other thing. After aside of the name, there's nothing you can do. You cannot even, and you cannot even disable it. This one, like prepaid expenses, you cannot delete, but you can mark as inactive, or you can rename it. Right? You can do that. But if you come to fixed assets, this can be deleted. There's asset here that comes with it by default. I think furniture and fitting. It's just a demo for you to know that where is it? You can see this. This is deletable. You can click on this and delete. And you can click on it from here and also delete. So those are the kind of you can see delete. So these are by default those accounts that come with Zoho Books. Now let's create our own account now. I'm going to click on new account. And the first account I'm going to create this time around is what? Is cash in hand. Oh, we already have cash in hand. We have GTB, we have current account. We have this. We have raw material inventory. Okay, let's create work in progress inventory now. It's an asset. It's an inventory account. So let's click on inventory. So you can see, sorry. So we don't have it here. So we can we're going to do that when we get to when we enable advanced inventory. We'll do that. Since we don't have that for now, we can't do that here. So let's pick something else again. Then we have prepaid expenses. We already have that input VAT. Workshop equipment, fixed asset. We have workshop equipment, Control C. Fixed asset. So fixed asset. So select this and then you all this onto this. If you have account number, account code, like in this case, 1500, you can do that too. Account code. And you can have description. If you want to track, you want to be watching this thing on your dashboard. If there's an account you want to watch on your dashboard, you check this small box that is add to the watch list on my dashboard. Then you can save. Then you want to add another account again, click on add again. Then select what kind of account are you adding. Again, what do? You select the kind of account you want to add. Let's add one expense account. Select the expense account. Then the next thing you do is where is the name of the expense? Let's select office supplies 6700. Then you come back here 6700. Then you save that. That is the name already exists. Okay. So let's look for another name that has not existed before. Marketing or website and online tools 6210 is an expense also. The account name is what? 6210. We do that. Then we save. So that is how we create chart of account in Zoho Books. So let's see how we import when we have a multiple account.